An open house. Nothing says a real estate agent like an open house. So, what is an open house and what is it even for? Well, plain and simple, an open house is just an opportunity for a home seller to allow people to come in and view their property. There's many reasons you might do an open house instead of just a general set appointment like we normally do. There's many types of open houses. There is an agent open house. These are very popular for opportunities where agents might invite other agents in who have influence on multiple buyers and allow them to come in, view a property, show them many of the features that oftentimes are hard to explain just online, but you really have to get your eyes on. But then a public open house is one that is, plain and simple, open to the public. It's a set time when when an agent might host one, and so oftentimes we will spend good money making sure that the word is out there and so that it has good attendance. Some of the benefits of an open house is that you get more eyes on the inside of your property. Sometimes just an online listing doesn't quite tell the whole story. Now, we can do things like our professional videos and our virtual tours that give you plenty of opportunities to see absolutely everything inside the home. But nothing quite sells a home or gives you that true experience like being there in person. Obviously, with the pandemic and with so much sickness going on, open houses haven't been as common lately. That said, there are some negatives to open houses. If you are a home seller, especially if your home is occupied or you're still living in the house, frankly, you might not want just your house open to the general public where anyone can kind of come and go as they please. Now, granted, hopefully your agent is doing a good job of keeping an eye on everyone and making sure that people aren't going places where they shouldn't go. But some other things is we don't know anything about these folks that are coming into the house. We don't know if they're approved to even purchase this home. And so, in my experience, you get a lot of what I call tire kickers. These are folks or just curious neighbors. Nothing wrong with that. Maybe that curious neighbor knows someone that they want to be their neighbor. But just things to consider. Open houses are a great opportunity to get exposure for your home. Things to consider is when is the open house? What time of year is the open house? An open house right during spring break is probably not going to be very effective. One during a holiday is probably not going to be very well attended. Is the weather nice? Bad weather can strongly affect an open house attendance. So keep that in mind. If you are looking at selling your home and you're interested in an open house, let's chat through those strategies, see when to best implement it, how to partner that with the different digital tools that we're putting in place to kind of perform a online open house, and then see if maybe combining that with one in person is a realistic and worthwhile strategy for you and your listing.